Yo, what's good people? Welcome to the video. Now today I'm going to show you how to build bigger arms with just calisthenics. Now when it comes to doing calisthenic exercises or bodyweight training, we tend to focus on doing compound exercises such as push-ups, pull-ups and dips, the basics. But when it comes to building up as much muscle mass as we can, we need to also include isolation exercises because this helps to target specific muscle groups on our body and also target any imbalances. But today I'm going to show you something special. Instead of just showing the basic bodyweight exercises, I'm going to show you the exercise that you can do on the gymnastics rings. So without further ado, let's get into it. Now to kick things off, we're going to start with the biceps, guys. And for that, we're going to start off with the ring curl or the body curl. Now this exercise I do all the time. It's a staple exercise in my training routine. So to build up your biceps, you have to do some type of curl. It's essential, guys. So the bodyweight curl or the ring curl is one of the first exercises that you guys need to do. And to perform this, it's pretty simple. Just keep your arms straight and then you curl upwards. So make sure that your elbows are facing upwards, coming up towards your face basically. And you're just curling your body. And then you're gonna mostly feel the tension on the concentric part. So that's where you really wanna squeeze at the top and then calm down slowly and really feel it in the eccentric afterwards when you're coming down. So the bodyweight curl is a top movement. You have to get that down, guys. And the best part about using the ring is the lack of stability. So it's gonna force your body to recruit more muscle fibers just to perform the simple exercises. So with the body curl, it's the same thing. You're gonna engage a lot of your forearms, multiple parts of your biceps, even your core as well. So make sure you perform the exercise slowly, and yeah, it's a stable and you'll see the benefits of it. Now to make the exercise easy, all you have to do is walk up in an incline and perform the movement. Very simple. And to make it harder, all you have to do is walk back down. And the more down you get, the harder it is, guys. And it's really gonna make you pull even more of your body weight. So that's how you make the exercise even harder and more challenging. Another way to make this exercise even harder is to do it unilateral, so that's one arm at a time. So this is great for, again, focus on any imbalances, working your core even more, and to focus on building even more strength and muscle in each specific bicep. So unilateral is another way to make it harder. And of course you can always add weight if you like to, but just doing it unilateral is hard enough anyways. Now number 2 is the Pelican curl. Now this exercise is very tough, especially for beginners, but there is a way to make it easier, which I'll explain to you guys. Now for this exercise, you want to make sure the rings are at hip height or around your belly button. And then you're going to grab the rings and then you're going to lower your body slowly. And then you're going to curl upwards. So for this exercise, you're really going to feel it on the eccentric, that's the lowering phase, where your muscles is at its most stretched position. And you're going to feel it. It's going to kill you, literally. So don't aim for all 10 reps because most of you won't even get there. Around 5-6 reps is good enough. But if you do this exercise correctly, mate, you're gonna have some watermelon biceps. I can promise you that. So to make this exercise easier, all you have to do is walk up, just like the previous exercise. Walk up and then perform the movement. And then to make it harder, you walk back down. So the more you are closer towards the ground and you start curling, that's when it's at its toughest. I can promise you that's gonna be real tough. Even for me at this stage, it's hard to even do 5 to 6 reps at the hardest leverage point. And apart from that, you won't even need to add any weight. This is a strictly body weight movement because the Pelican curl it's really hard enough on its own. So there's no need to add any other external weight using a weight vest or anything like that. Just use your body weight and you're good to go. Now let's move on to triceps. Now we have the ring tricep extensions. And this is the only one I'm going to give you guys because there's not much isolation when it comes to tricep exercises. So this is a very good exercise to do for your triceps in general. And to make it easier, all you have to do is walk up into an incline, and to make it harder, walk down into a decline, and that'll make it really tough. So that's the overall theme of these exercises, to make any exercise easier in calisthenics. You do it at an incline, and to make it harder at a decline. Or again, you can add weight if you want to, using a weight vest. But that's not always an option for most people. So just change your leverage. That's the best way to manipulate and make the exercises even more challenging. And again, with the ring tricep extensions, just by doing them on the rings alone makes it tough. Again, because of the lack of stability, it's going to recruit more muscles. So think of that for every exercise that you guys do on the rings. The lack of stability will make you recruit more muscle fibers. Therefore, you can build more muscle and get even stronger compared to doing them on parallettes. Now I'm going to show you another way to make the tricep extensions even harder, and that's to do unilateral tricep extensions. Now this is a tough one to do, and I haven't seen much people do it, to be honest. And I've only done this a handful of times, but I can really see the difference. I can feel the difference. So to do this, you're going to use one tricep at a time, but the other arm is going to be assisting you. So that way it's going to help you keep yourself balanced. But as you're doing the exercise, your weight is going to be tilted towards one side of the tricep, the working tricep. And boy, how you're going to feel it after, it's going to be crazy. The DOMs that you're going to feel is going to be mad. I can promise you that. So yes, unilateral tricep extensions is a godly way to do them. So there you have it, guys. That's how you build bigger arms with just rings, isolation exercises. Because you have to remember, in order to maximize your muscle building potential, you really have to isolate certain body parts and really target them specifically. So take that into consideration, add that into your routine, and you'll see the biggest difference ever. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out.